Call or WhatsApp 0731 582 436. We are a service training provider located in Kempton Park, JHB. We are fully equipment and accredited to offer mining and earth-moving machinery operators and welding courses. We train both theory and practicals. We are accredited with Teta, Ceta and Merseta. We will show our accreditation before registration. Earth-moving machines / call us or WhatsApp 0731 582 436. Forklift R800 5 days training. Reach-Truck R2000 5 days training. L.H.D Scoop R5000 2 weeks training. T.L.B R3000 2 weeks training. Front-end loader R3500 2 WKS training. Bulldozer R4000 2 weeks training. Bobcat R2500 2 weeks training. Grader R5000 2 weeks training. Cranes. Call us or WhatsApp 073 158 2436. Tower crane R4500 2 weeks training. Mobile crane R5500 2 weeks training. Climbing tower R6500 2 weeks training. Overhead crane R4500 2 weeks training. Truck mounted crane R4500 2 WKS train. Dumptrucks. Call us or WhatsApp 073 158 2436. Dumptruck777d R5000 2 weeks training. Dumptruck Adt R4500 2 weeks training. Underground dumper 2 weeks training. Dumptruck without restrictions R7500 2 WKS. Drill rig / call us or WhatsApp 0,731,582,436. Drill rig Tanrock R6500 2 week training. Drill rig Bolt R6500 2 weeks training. Drill rig Twin Boom R6500 2 WKS training. Welding. Call us or WhatsApp 0731 582 436. Arc welding R7500 3 weeks training. Argon welding R7500 3 weeks training. CO2 welding R7500 3 weeks training. Boiler making R7500 3 weeks training. Aluminium welding R7500 3 weeks training. Health and safety courses / call us or WhatsApp 073 158 2436. OZ R1500 5 days training. First aid 2 R1500 5 days training. Firefighting R2000 5 days training. Health and safety officer R6500 2 WKS. Driving school with free accommodation pass guaranteed. Code 14/AC 6 to 8 weeks R1 2000. Code 10.6 weeks R9000. Code 8 6 weeks R7000. Address in Germiston Town. Call us or WhatsApp +2 77 31 58 24 36. Call us +27 73 1582 436 for booking & confirmation. The exact date you coming for training. School car picks up all students from Johannesburg Park Station. Bar School is in Germiston Town, NB. School offers free accommodation to all students. Email us